we're gonna actually remove this one. A new one. Lubricate it so that the blade can glide across and you can get it off smoothly. So I'm just gonna work the vinyl off first and then I'll do another cleaning after. You can lubricate it some more and you can kind of see the glue is kind of stuck, so if you lubricate it, you can just scrape up and down and it'll take off all the glue. And then you'll just wipe and then see if you have any glue left over. I actually have these markers here. I'm not going to touch the measured the width of my door, and then I've divided that in half. My half number is giving me my middle point. On each of my decals, I've measured the middle points. We're just mocking these up so you can check them and make sure you have them where you want them. Okay, and then just step back, look at it, make sure that visually everything's lined up. Check your measurements now so that you can adjust anything. This is where you will make your adjustments. We're going to create an anchor point that goes all the way down, and this is just to hold it so that when we lift it on this side, that it has an anchor point in the center and it keeps it lined up exactly where we have it. Peel my first end here. And I'm just going to peel the backing from the transfer tape. And I'm just going to peel it all the way to my anchor point here. I'm going to use scissors because I find it's easiest for me. And I'm just going to let my anchor point do the work for me. And I'm just going to lay it in like that. And you can give this a good squeegee here. Now this becomes my anchor point going this way. At this point, the backing free, and you can either pull the backing or the backing will just slide off most of the time. And you just lay it down and just make sure you squeegee that down. Okay, I'm going to remove my tape, get to my backing, and I'm just going to let it do the work. I messed up her name. And I didn't bring an extra one. No!
Oh, maybe you can fix it, huh? Yeah. It's fixable, that's cool.
So by the grace of God alone, I managed to fix this. I will let my client know if this cake gives her problems, I will come back and replace this because it started messing up. You just make sure to give it a good squeegee down so that the vinyl is securely on there. And then you're just going to pull a corner and it's going to leave the vinyl behind. Backing, and same thing, I just cut my backing off, and same thing, you just let your anchor point do the work. It's just going to go down. And then go at an angle so you have the least amount of surface area gripping your letters. I'm just going to squeegee it, make sure that my transfer tape has a good grip on it. I really grip this one down. This one should come off easier once it's on the glass because the transfer tape isn't as strong on this one. It's going to have to be really careful with these little ones to make sure that my transfer tape picks them up. this piece of tape on because this transfer tape, it seems to be weaker than the other one I was using. I don't know how this one got mixed up in here. It might have been the last piece that I had. So I just really want to make sure everything's coming off the way that it's supposed to. Really slow, making sure that I get all of my pieces. Since this transfer tape's weak, I actually want to make sure to come this way. That way I can check to see here if my vinyl's coming off or not. And then I can push it on here and make sure that it's actually coming off the way that it's supposed to. And then I can just watch it carefully to make sure that it's coming off the way that it needs to. Make sure it comes off. I don't know how I ended up with this transfer tape. This is why it's key to get a good transfer tape. You don't want to run into this issue. It's just annoying. You see how fast it was to peel the other ones? And now I run into this issue because somehow I ended up with the bad transfer tape on this project. So if you run into any issues, just take it slow, back up a little bit. It's not fully on until you come and you do this nice hard squeegee like this. So if you get something that gets stuck a little bit, don't panic. Just back up, try and fix it, maneuver it back down. Then once the adhesive is there and you squeegee it down, it's gonna hold. And this stuff is really strong. So you see we ran into a few itches here, but nobody's ever gonna know. I mean, you're gonna know because I put it on the video, but you'll notice all the areas where we ran into some issues, you wouldn't even be able to tell here, but it looks fantastic. And you can see it actually left a residue on this one from the cheaper, less reliable transfer tape. So it actually leaves more of a residue, but it's less sticky versus our other one didn't leave any residue and it was way stickier and transferred everything properly. So just keep that in mind. I'll link the one that I use in the description that did a good job. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Remember to subscribe and like the video as well. And thanks for watching.